My name is Amrul Kimi bin Ismail Lais Muhammad Fadli. My number metric is 04DEE F1024.
We are from Politeknik Kota Bharu, and today we would like to present our project title, The Eternal Sumud. The Eternal Sumud is a mini polar powered boat built using simple and lightweight material such as ice cream stick and polystyrene. Our main goal is to demonstrate how solar energy can be used to move a small boat without using fuel. The word sumud means steep, fitness, or perilous, while eternal means never ending. Therefore, the eternal sumud represents indulge clean energy, strength, and sustainability. Just like the power of the sun in itself. We choose this project because we want to raise awareness about renewable energy and eco-friendly transportation. Traditional boats often use petrol or diesel, which causes polluting. Our solar boat offer is cleaner and greener alternative.
My name is Muhammad Faris Hakimi bin Fakri Izwan. My number metric is 04DEE F1003.
Next, I will talk about purpose and objective. The main purpose of the project is to apply solar energy in a small-scale marine system using affordable materials. Our objectives are: the first one is to design and build a solar power boat prototype using ice cream stick and polystyrene. Second, to study how solar panel convert sunlight into electrical energy to power a DC motor. Thirdly, to encourage green technology awareness among students and the community. Through this project, we want to show that even with simple materials, it is possible to create something functional, educational, and environmentally friendly. This project also supports Malaysia's vision for sustainable and renewable energy development in the future.
My name is Nik Muhammad Azril Fauzan bin Zakaria, metric number 04DEE 25F1048. Our boat design focus on being light, stable, and easy to build. For the base, we use polystyrene because it is lightweight and helps boat float easily on water. For the frame and deck, we use ice cream stick, which are strong enough to hold the solar panel and motor. On top of the boat, we place a mini solar panel that collects sunlight and converts it into electrical energy. This energy powers a DC motor, which spins a propeller at the back of the boat. Here's how the system works. First, sunlight hits the solar panel and generates direct current. Second, the current travels through the wires to the DC motor. Third, the motor rotates the propeller. And lastly, the spinning propeller pushes the boat forward across the water. During our test, the boat moved smoothly under bright sunlight. When the light was weaker, the speed reduced slightly. This shows how the intensity of sunlight affects motor performance. The design is simple, but it demonstrates real engineering principles, energy conversion from light to motion.
My name is Amirul Hakimi bin Ahmad Tajuddin. My matrix number is 04DEE 24F1999. I will talk about results, benefit, and conclusion. After testing the Eternal Sumud, we observed that the boats floated steadily and moved effectively using only solar energy. The combination of ice cream sticks and polystyrene made it strong, lightweight, and waterproof. Our results show that the solar panel was able to power the motor directly under sunlight. The boat moved continuously without using any battery or fuel. The overall performance was stable and environmentally friendly. The main benefits of our project are: it is eco-friendly, producing zero pollution. It is low cost, using recycled and common materials. It encourages innovation and teamwork among students. It helps us understand how renewable energy can be applied in real-world systems. In conclusion, the Eternal Sumud is not just a small model boat. It is a symbol of creativity, sustainability, and endless clean energy. Through this project, we learned that even small efforts can make a big impact on promoting green technology. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Years later.
Baby, I'm all about